Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN. Link in the description below to stay safe online. Let's compare Boost Mobile and Visible by Verizon so you can figure out which one fits your needs. Boost Mobile operates on a mix of its own 5G network. AT&T mobile towers for nation coverage are reaching around 80% of the U.S. population. Visible runs entirely on Verizon's network, giving you coast-to-coast coverage and Verizon-level reliability. Boost Mobile's Forever Unlimited plan costs $25 a month and includes 30 gigs of high-speed data before slowing. Higher-tier plans offer more perks like hotspot access. Visible Base starts around $25 a month with unlimited talk, text, data, and a 5 Mbps hotspot, but data may slow down during peak times. Visible Plus costs $35 a month and adds 50 gigs of premium high-speed internet and faster hotspot speeds. Boost offers 30 gigs of premium data and adds hotspot on upper-tier plans, while lower plans throttle speed after a cap. And Visible gives truly unlimited data. Even the base plan includes hotspot, just at a capped speed of 5 Mbps. Visible Plus improves this with 10 Mbps speeds and 50 GB prioritized data. Visible's fully digital, no stores or paper bills, and includes spam protection and international perks on higher tiers. Boost has physical stores, device financing, support for low-income plans, and keeps your rate locked in forever. Just be aware, customer service can vary. I'd say choose Boost Mobile if you want rock-solid unlimited for as low as $25 a month with a locked-in rate and don't mind some data slowdowns after the cap. And choose Visible if you prefer Verizon-level coverage, truly unlimited data, hotspot included, even at unlimited speeds in a digital-only experience. Thank you so much for watching.